What's up guys? So you're back at Thames Network again. I'm just about to show you some small works again on your car. So today we're gonna be heating up the wood vents. So I did cut them out as you guys saw in the previous videos where the hole was in the bonnet. But like I changed my mind now. So I don't want them mounted on top of the bonnet. I actually want them sunken into the bonnet, like but they flush. So we're gonna be doing that today, okay? And let's get back to the So I don't know if you guys can see it, but like I drew a line right about around the vents. So there's a line right here which I drew around the vents. So we're gonna sunken this vents in today. We're gonna cut around that line and have it all nice and neat. This bin here has to be nice and neat. All these curves have to be nice and neat. So I'm gonna get into it, guys. So what you're going to do is you want to cut on the inside of the line, not on the outside. Because remember you marked it around, so you want to cut on the inside, not on the outside. Okay guys, so we just finished up now with the wood vents. So I rounded it off, I made it nice and smooth and everything. I also opened it up more because I told you that I wanted to sunken it. So it's actually looking kinda really good. I'm very happy with the outcome. All that's left for me now is to show you guys. So I prefer the sunken look though. So I still need to put some mounts and everything in there just to keep it up. But check it out so long guys, because I've been busy with those things for quite a while now. But it looks hell of a good. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. I hope you guys learned a lot as well from everything. So let me show you guys what the bonnet looks like right now. So this is what it's sunken in. You guys should let me know. So we got the fancy lights, we got the wood vents right now. And that's the last overrated mod that I'm doing. Like I ain't gonna do no other fucking shit mods to the car. This was the last one. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So we go from that side. Look at it nicely. So that looks super clean. Especially now that the bonnet's one color. They look clean as hell.
I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on